Lynn Coombs. Good morning.
Good morning.
You're charged with going through a red light on Eddy Street and Dudley Street.
Yes,
Is there anything you want to tell me about it?
I'm innocent.
You're innocent?
Yes,
Okay.
I am.
Okay.
I have my photos here, and I am in that area a lot because my doctors are there. And you can see, I believe, in the first photo that I did stop.
Okay. So the issue is whether you stopped, and you clearly remember that you stopped.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And as evidence, you have a photograph
I do.
showing that you stopped.
Yes, and my brake lights are on. My brake lights are on at the red light. So I did stop first, and then I proceeded after I stopped to make my right-hand turn on Dudley Street.
Okay. Ms. Coombs, I can tell you that I have not yet seen a photograph that shows a car moving. So I know that you probably applied your brakes, and that was captured in the video. But the question is whether or not you came to a complete stop.
Yes, I believe
And
that
you-
I
and you-
did.
And you did. Okay.
I believe I did.
Okay. We're going to look at it.
All right.
The light is red. Your vehicle is coming. The lights are on.
So I didn't make a complete stop. I didn't even make a stop. But I thought I did, though. And I did not.
Well, maybe the third time is a charm. We'll look at it once more.
Let's try
We'll try once more.
one more time.
Okay.
Let me just...
Watch this. Lisa, stop it.
Brake lights. Brake lights.
Inspector Quinn,
Brake lights.
Yeah, it appears she stopped, Judge.
look. You stopped.
I did. There's my brake lights. I
There you
did
go.
stop.
Look, the car stopped.
It did.
I told you the third time is a charm, Inspector
See?
Quinn.
There's my brake lights.
She knows what she's talking about. You stopped?
I did.
That's the proof?
That's the proof right there, brake lights.
You wanna-
And there's the red light.
Yeah.
And I stopped. Sir, I did. I did. I did stop. I didn't.
Fourth time. Let's look at it once more.
No, nope. I believe I stopped. Red light. I put my brakes on, yeah.
You did.
I did.
Clear and convincing, you stopped. What do you think?
It's up to you.
The fifth time was the charm, Judge. It's up to you.
All right. I have your record. You have a completely unblemished record. I'm going to charge you $35 court costs.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
Beautiful stop. Good luck.
Thank you.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted. That case had more twists and turns than a very special episode of Law and Order.
I'm innocent.
You're innocent?
Yes, I am. So I didn't make a complete stop. I didn't even make a stop. Brake lights.
Look, you stopped.
I did. There's my brake lights. I
There you
did
go.
stop. I didn't. No, nope. I believe I stopped.
Clear and convincing, you stopped.
It's up to you.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Coombs, but the videotape speaks for itself. You did not stop. However, not all is lost. To help ease the pain, I'd like to present to you a pair of personally autographed Ziggy Quinn flip-flops. It's abundantly clear you could use a pair.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Jennifer. Jennifer, this is a failing to yield the right of way in a crosswalk. Evidently, there was an accident involved here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it a pedestrian?
Yes, Your Honor.
You only have two choices, Jennifer. You can plead not guilty, and in that case, you come back and have a trial. Or you can plead guilty, and in that case, you pay the fine. Would the rescue come?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was the
rescue
pedestrian
came.
taken to the hospital?
She was.
Was she admitted to the hospital?
I assisted her And at first she was unconscious, and then she came to consciousness, and she was coherent at the time, able to speak, and I observed her. I've been in security myself, able to first responder, so she didn't have anything coming out of any extremities, but she did take the hit well. Unfortunately, I don't say that lightly. I'm just saying she was speaking, and she stood up, and she was well.
Okay. You have insurance on your vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And if you know, what are the limits of liability?
What are the limits on my insurance?
The liability. How much are you covered for?
I'm
know?
sorry, I don't know. I
understand.
can't give you an accurate answer.
All right. How do you plead?
Well, I mean, I plead guilty. I did hit her. You know, there's no denying that, and I feel horrible about it. You know, I take responsibility for my actions.
It's a total of $86 on the charge. Good luck to you. And
Thank you. Your
I know
Honor.
it's an unfortunate thing. I know you didn't do it deliberately, but the fact that you stopped, you got out, you assisted her, and did all of that, and you're obviously
Absolutely.
very contrite about it. So this is not something you did deliberately. Accidents happen. Unfortunately, it happened, right? But people have to be compensated for their injuries,
Absolutely.
and hopefully you have enough so that your insurance company will pay her, and that you will not have to pay any damages over your policy limit. So
I certainly
it's
hope
always
so.
good to have high policy limits.
Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you so much, Judge.
I'm concerned that Jennifer is not aware of the limits on her liability coverage. That is crucial information that every driver needs to know. Liability coverage safeguards you from losing everything if you get sued because you're at fault in an accident. It also helps ensure that the person you injure will receive money they need for their medical care and damages. So, how much coverage should you have? A lot. The more you own, the more you should have. I urge everyone to check their policies to make sure they are adequately covered. Accidents do happen, and when they do, you want to be sure that you are properly covered.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. Share these videos and weigh in on the cases. You be the judge. Subscribe now.